Colors are very interesting. When we see it, they can make us feel an emotion. Blue can make us feel sad, yellow can make us feel bright, and green can make us feel lucky. But what if colors can also affect our mind, our memory? I am Bri J L, and I'm here to present you Does Color Affect Memory? Background research. Colors have a unique effect on people that is linked to emotions and behaviors. There are colors that can make us feel creative, relaxed, mysterious, or clean. Colors can affect emotions and behaviors, but it can also affect memory. According to a study done by a university, colors can help with many things related with our minds, like with concentration and learning, and it seems that the color red boosts cognitive skills and brain function. It is very interesting, right? Here are some examples of color psychology. Problem and purpose. Many people have trouble remembering important parts of a text, especially scholars, since they read textbooks and many books. The purpose of this project is to see if colors do affect a person's mind, and if it does, then I can advise people to write important words or phrases with colors so they can easily memorize them. Hypothesis. My hypothesis is that if red is the color that boosts brain function, then the trained group will be the ones to respond faster and get the question correct. I will explain that later. Variables. There are many variables in this project. Independent variables will be color and different grade levels. Dependent variables will be time and accuracy. The control group will be other substitutes of colors such as colored pencils or crayons, and also a black marker. And finally, constant will be the same date and event. Material list. The materials I used for the experiment are index cards, different color markers, a black marker, and a timer. Procedures. So what I did for the experiment is first I collected participants and then listed them. Then I searched for an oncoming historical event. With the data I found, I wrote it on index cards. In the back, I wrote the event with a black marker, and in the front, I wrote the date in the following manner. One set is written in black, another one is written in colors trend based on research, and the last is written in random colors. Next, I divided the participants into three groups: control group, trend group, and random color group. I gave each participant from each group their card and gave them 1 minute to study their cards. When the time finished, I collected each card and asked them the same question. They all whispered the answer to me, and I recorded how fast they responded, and if they were wrong or right. I did the same thing the next day, but this time I did not allow them to study the cards. I recorded the results again. So here are the procedure with pictures. And this is the data I have gathered from my experiment, my 2 experiments. Conclusion. The data supported part of my hypothesis. The trend group is the group with the best accuracy, but the control group were the group who responded the fastest. There are reasons why each group had their results. The control group probably had the results because they're 8th graders and they're used to seeing black text since they read and study a lot. The random color group had the results because the mind of these students are not used to seeing random color words, so they're likely to not remember the data easily. The trend group had the results because bold and bright colored text help us remember words easily. Teachers sometimes use a red or blue to highlight important words. The results really show that colors do affect memory. Application and extension. Even though my experiment was a success, I could have done so many things to get more reliable results. If I improve my experiment, I want to put an 8th grader, a 7th grader, and a 6th grader in each group. If I do this, I will be able to know if age affects memory. Another thing I could do is have 2 of each group, 2 color trend, 2 control, and 2 random color group that will each have a 8th grader, a 7th grader, and a 6th grader in it, and separate the group into 2 bigger groups by gender. This will help me determine if gender also affects memory. This whole project helped me so many things about color, and it is so much fun. These are all the sources I used for my presentation, and without these sources, I could have never done this presentation. Thank you for watching this presentation.